Welcome back. How's everybody doing? It's been a while. Lots of stuff's been going on. RC business has taken up basically all my free time, but it's going good, so that's a good thing. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about a trailer. It's just going to be a quick video. I just got done doing the Raptor Liner and a couple other things, so I'm just going to go over it real quick so you can see what's going on. Check it out. Just got done doing Raptor like an hour ago, actually. What a pain in the dick doing that. It was, I mean, it wasn't terrible, but it was a little bit of a pain, and that stuff makes an absolute mess too. So anyway, also final rear aluminum trim piece is on, and final front roof trim piece is on, so that's done. Oh, let's look at the switch panel. The switch panel actually turned out pretty good. I don't know if you guys follow my thread on Expedition Portal, but I mentioned that I use Send Cut Send for this aluminum piece. Their service is great. I just did a CAD model and then exported a DXF of the outline and sent it to them, and in 4 days I had a switch panel. See, it's all wired up and stuff. Except for this is going to be the pantry light that goes in here, but everything else is wired up in here. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's starting to look like the model with that Raptor Liner on there, so I'm pretty happy with that. Let's get a far away shot here. Look at that. Looks pretty damn good. I'm biased, but it looks good. Next step is putting the doors and windows in it, I think. I called the DMV, or I guess the transportation department, and talked to one of the vehicle inspectors that does my area about that, and I was kind of worried. Like, I talked to one guy before, tried to get like a checklist of what I should make sure is on the trailer so that I can get it titled, and he was like very vague and acted very much like a state employee. And so then I got a hold of this new guy like a couple days ago, and he said they just want to see receipts and just make sure that it's got lights and stuff on it. It's like not a very big process. And so and I said, well, yeah, I just don't want to waste your time. I don't want to tow it in there and have you not, have something wrong or whatever. And he said, don't even worry about it, I'll come to you. So that was pretty cool. He's going to actually come out here and inspect it and show him receipts and make sure that all the lights work, and I get a VIN plate and a title. So that's pretty cool. I will have to pay tax on what I've purchased for it, so I'll make a list of everything I've purchased for it and try and come up with some receipts and stuff. So, but yeah, I'm like remotivated to work on this thing, because the Raptor is like looking really good on there. And so I got to get some stickers made up. I got to get the doors and windows in it. Here's what I'm using to seal the doors and windows. Typically everyone uses butyl tape, but I'm using this is like 3/16 EPDM adhesive back, like closed cell rubber foam strip, EPDM. So I'm going to do a strip of that all around the doors and windows, probably both, and then I'm going to use some aluminum and stuff to pop rivet the storage doors in. That way, if they need to be removed later, they can, because I know a lot of people like butyl tape everything in, which that shit's a mess anyway, and when it gets hot it like oozes out, and so I've never liked butyl tape. So I am going to use that EPDM strip. I think it'll work pretty good. So yeah, that's the next step. Anyway, so short videos, like 5 minutes. Just wanted to give you a quick update on what's happening with this thing. It's looking like I'm hoping we can actually go sleep in it by the end of August. It's like June or July 17th, I think, today. So I'm hoping we'll be ready to go sleep in it here in about 4 or 5 weeks after everything's buttoned up on it and we got a title for it. So anyway, thanks for being patient, and stay tuned. There'll be another episode sooner than a year or whatever ago I posted the last video. So anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.